guys, we got something exciting coming up this weekend. Devin got a lift for his truck off off Facebook Marketplace. Sorry about that. It is dirty. I did just rinse it down with water and some light degreaser, but I need some Purple Power Simple Green, so Devin's going to pick that up on the way home, hopefully. If not, I'll go grab it in the morning. But this is a 6-inch lift for F250. It's definitely dirty, definitely used. It is a Fabtech lift. See right here. We bought it from a guy probably about 30 minutes from us. His truck was actually this color, which, as you guys know, that's the color of Devin's bike over there. The tip that he had for the truck matched this color, but unfortunately it got ran over. It fell off the truck and got hit by a Lexus. So he still has his Superman insert. We'll get another tip at some other time. But so, anyways, it's a Fabtech lift, 6 inches. Already the color Devin wants. It was powder coated when the person had put it on new, but the guy who bought the truck really didn't want the 6-inch lift. He daily drives the truck and uses it for work, and he said just getting my tools in and out is not what I like doing with a 6-inch lift. So we bought new shocks for it, minus the two up front that are right here. We did not get new ones of those because those looked okay, but we will end up replacing them. We've got new hardware for the traction bars because he did have to cut these. So Devin's hopefully going to be able to tap them out. I'm hopefully going to get this all clean tomorrow so we can move it into the shop and work on that before actually getting the lift on. He got a really good deal on this. Fabtech, I want to say the lift's about $4,000. Around $4 or $5,000. I'm not sure on the exact number on that. And then getting it powder coated normally is probably going to be about $1,200. So we spent $700 on it, and then spent another like $450 on shocks and new hardware. So hopefully we have everything. We'll know this weekend. We'll keep you guys updated with the video. But I just wanted to show it to you guys. Devin will do a price breakdown more exact than I can right here. But anyways, you guys, you have a great day. Don't forget to hustle harder.